Implants can help with premature aging by providing a lift to the lower part of the face without plastic surgery. It isn't common public knowledge, but when teeth are missing, the jaws deteriorate and dissolve. Partials and dentures speed this process. Anywhere a tooth is missing will continue to dissolve forever unless implants are present. Bone loss around implants, however, is less than 1/16 inch over 20 years. This bone deterioration affects the face and makes one's appearance older than one's natural age. The visible changes are increased bulldog appearance to the lower jaw, increased frowns at the corner of the mouth, increased chinning of the lips, especially the upper lip, increased frowns at the corner of the nose, and increased lines around the mouth.